Most recently, Isuzu is rumored to be preparing the latest generation of the Isuzu MU-X 2024, which is more fierce, sturdy, and luxurious. So what about the latest appearance of the 2024 Isuzu MU-X? Exterior. The exterior design is enhanced by the installation of a new grille, more aggressive front and rear bumpers, sharper LED headlights and new LED taillights. All these changes have been made. Compared with the version currently in use, it is not expected that there will be any major adjustments to the overall size. Apart from that, the Isuzu MU-X 2024 also has several wheel size options.